And then just blend it. And you need to roll it. Seeing that you're making a pine tart, you want to roll it at an angle, like roll it like that. You want to make it like a more like a triangle. Right, you see it shaped like that, and then you take a spoonful of this and you put it in there, so that when you fold, you won't have problems with folding, to get a perfect pine tart. See? And once you press like this, the ends, you press the middle so it spreads out right down to the ends. You know, a lot of people pine tart, there's no pine in these ends. Right? Then it goes on the sheet. And that's it.